Come on. There you go. Come on. There he goes.
Good job.
Good job, Carter Boaz. Boo. I guess, do you think it's funny? Do you think it's funny? We probably should put a pillow back there, shouldn't we? Because that looks like it's painful when you fall. Alright. Say bye-bye. 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 Bye-bye.